let's make ceramic tiles.
First, I'll talk about my setup. It's just a regular plastic fold out and a piece of canvas over top. It helps draw out the clay moisture and keeps the clay from sticking to the table. Then we start rolling, and since I don't need an ultra thin slab of clay, I use these paint stirrers from Home Depot as a guide. Flip, compress, roll, repeat. This is my template for the tiles. I make a light impression, then I cut with a needle tool and a straight edge. I put the tile on a piece of paper to help draw out moisture, and I am smoothing out the edges with this metal rib tool. The roller is just to level out the slab itself. Now that the design is centered, I can apply a little bit of pressure with the pony roller to ensure that the stencil is connected to our square tile. This will help reduce the amount of bleed through we get. I'll begin to add layers of slip, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. You can tell that the slip has dried by the way that it looks. It will no longer have a shiny appearance. It will look more chalky. The same goes for underglaze and glaze.